Hey, so the Google Gravity website is a fun interactive experiment where the whole Google page behaves like it's affected by gravity. Yeah, this is not an official feature inside Google. It's a fan-made physics demo. In this guide, I'll show you how to use it in 2026. First thing, open any browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. This trick works online through a web-based demo. Next, type Google Gravity in the search bar. So you're looking for an interactive demo page, not a real Google setting. All right, click a Google Gravity website like the classic Mr. Doob version. I mean, this is where the animation actually runs. Now, wait a moment. The page elements will start falling down like real gravity is acting on them. Next, interact with it. So you can click, drag, and throw objects around like a physics simulation. All right, try other versions too, like Google Sphere or similar gravity-based experiments. And yeah, just refresh the page to reset everything. That brings the interface back to normal instantly. So that's how you use the Google Gravity website. It's just a fun physics-style web experiment, not an official Google feature.